Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Ni janmit dapat mon yagai lang ha border outpost ke Assam wa ema khanduli operkat hai to wi akba penthot lapangap hadin wa cha pendik wa chong chnong lapangap ha gejai bru karbi na gichnong taban wa kibi gichnong ha kani ge lang de mu ADC woman le border magistrate ke West Giant Hills UGH pasa katwa nei liang ke West Karbi Anglong district de mu SP Sarma woman kang DC ke district wa ar barwa woman kang SP ke district Hakani gia lang da em lang wa het chnong ngala pangap udai mon mi leng do ki wa mi khmat ki sain bahalang na West Giant Hills kamjuk ke senjuk ki wa het chnong region tia katwa nei liang ki karbi da em wa het chnong katapat ki karbi student association wa ki bikiwi hadin inje kelamo yelu da chim ya rai wo ptanye akba ki la pangap wai wa uyarap o tho wai ekti ya ki em kti yo tenyap ya Oliver Timung wa na tapat wa da yap hakande trek unu benai The Rai open ne chong suk hapok ni katain kam gi spas nem ne chwa wai wo elat leo akba uom ji de yang oposlem de ba mi wo khut ma khut pen man yelang klem de yiu chim ko wan ka rai wai de wo pemi man pen mi ki kan don thame cho the Rai le wa mdu akba tang cha le o thung ye ki wi gi jor gi chep klem de emi pen thon kamara jo le na do gi por yong rem
We are living with a peaceful coexistence, okay? And regarding harvesting, regarding the present incident, there should be no politics, first of all, as highlighted, because we need to live here like earlier days with peaceful coexistence. That is the ultimate crux of the resolution we have come to know out of this particular meeting. Secondly, it is being ensured by our West Giant Hills counterpart, border magistrate and our learned advocate. And the demand was that whosoever was the culprit behind the incident of killing a native of this particular Tapat village, he would be taken to task. At the same time, he would be handed over as per the procedure of law after due investigation as well as per the procedure of IPC and BNSS. Thirdly, today we have come to know that meeting after meeting we cannot call for, convene for, and everyone cannot attend this meeting time and again, even if we are willing. Because why we cannot await? Because of this particular crop. This particular crop cannot wait for under 4 or 5 days. Okay, we need to know that, and it belongs to someone who is a native of West Giant Hills or some natives of our own Tapat village at the same time. It would be affected both the counterparts at the same time. So it should be harvested urgently and with the consensus of both these village headmen. My village headman is here, that is Tapat. He has also opined today. And your village, Lapangap, is here. He has also consented at the same time that there will be no law and order, okay, regarding harvesting. So this has been the thing we have come into conclusion today, that harvesting cannot wait time and again with lot of meetings after meetings, because so many spokesperson is there at the same time. Every day they will be giving a new terms and conditions. We cannot await like that at the same time. Because of the fraternity, because of the peaceful coexistence in the greater and larger interest, we need to know that you are going to hand over the culprit whosoever committed this crime on 9th of October, where we lost our dearest brother or Orival Timung. At the same time, we are going ahead with the harvesting and some plantation at the same time. Because this has been going on since centuries. It should not be an issue like taking some weapons, threatening each other, because we are in the same boat. We need to know that. And with these few words, I want to conclude here with the hope. Our brother Augustine is here.
Yes, sir.
He's the chairman of our peace committee. Lot of responsibilities actually he was being actually vested with, and he's a very worried person. I understand that, but the fact remains. At the same time, we cannot compromise peace at any cost. Okay, and law and order should prevail, peace should prevail, and harvesting should continue at the same time without any further delay with a consensus. Thank you. So I want to have a photograph with all of you at the same time, because we are holding meeting after meeting. Nothing comes out. At the same time, we are facing with a new incident always. Okay, this is not going to stop if we are not going to come with certain conclusion here. Okay, people are there to discredit you. People are there to discredit me at the same time. People are there to discredit you at the same time for the administration. People are there to discredit you being the Gabura.